The housing industry is abuzz with excitement over Elon Musk's latest innovation, a $6,789 tiny house that promises to redefine affordable living. This isn't just another compact dwelling, it's a potential game changer in addressing one of America's most pressing challenges, affordable housing. As home prices soar and wages remain stagnant, the dream of home ownership has drifted further out of reach for millions. Musk's bold vision aims to change that, making sustainable and adaptable housing accessible to first-time buyers and those facing financial hardships. If successful, these tiny homes could revolutionize the way people think about owning a home, ushering in a new era of affordable and sustainable living. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, is no stranger to disrupting industries. His latest endeavor tackles the housing crisis in collaboration with Boxabel, a construction technology company renowned for its modular and foldable homes. Together, they have created a 375 square foot dwelling designed to provide affordable, sustainable, and modern housing at just $6,789. These tiny houses aim to meet the needs of eco-conscious individuals, downsizers, and first-time homeowners seeking a practical yet cost-effective solution. This innovative approach could mark the beginning of a new chapter in home ownership, where minimalism and sustainability take center stage. Despite its small footprint, Musk's tiny house is a marvel of efficient design. Every inch of the interior is optimized to provide comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. The living area is cleverly arranged with multifunctional furniture that doubles as storage, ensuring that no space is wasted. The design strikes a balance between simplicity and modernity, creating a cozy yet sophisticated atmosphere that caters to contemporary lifestyles. The kitchen, though compact, is equipped with all the essentials. It includes a 2-burner induction cooktop, a 3.1 cubic foot energy-efficient refrigerator, and a stainless steel sink with high-quality finishes. Smartly integrated storage solutions ensure that cookware and utensils are organized and easily accessible, minimizing clutter. This thoughtful arrangement proves that even a small kitchen can be both practical and inviting. In the bathroom, Musk design truly shines. Despite the limited space, it features a full-size shower with water-saving fixtures, an eco-friendly toilet, and a compact sink. These features blend comfort and practicality, offering a level of convenience rarely seen in tiny home designs. By prioritizing functionality and efficiency, the bathroom ensures that the home feels complete and comfortable, even for long-term living. At the heart of this design is sustainability. The tiny house incorporates high-performance insulation with an R24 rating for walls and an R40 rating for the roof, minimizing heat transfer and reducing energy consumption. Optional solar panels allow for off-grid living, enabling homeowners to lower utility costs and reduce their carbon footprint. This focus on renewable energy and efficient design aligns perfectly with Musk's broader mission to promote sustainable living. One of the most revolutionary aspects of Musk's tiny house is its ease of assembly and installation. Utilizing Boxabel's foldable modular technology, the home can be transported compactly and unfolded on site. When delivered, the house measures just 8 feet wide, making it easy to transport on standard trucks and reducing logistics costs. Once it arrives at its destination, it can be set up and connected to utilities in under 24 hours. This rapid assembly process is a stark contrast to traditional home construction, which can take months or even years to complete. In terms of cost efficiency, Musk's tiny house is a clear winner. While traditional homes in the U.S. cost an average of $150 to $250 per square foot to build, this tiny house costs just $182 per square foot. Additionally, The speed of construction significantly reduces labor costs, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. By streamlining the construction process and minimizing waste, Musk's tiny house offers a practical solution for those looking to enter the housing market without breaking the bank. For older generations, this housing model represents an opportunity to embrace a simpler, more efficient lifestyle. Many spent decades tied to hefty mortgage payments, sacrificing leisure and personal fulfillment to ensure they had a roof over their heads. Musk's tiny house is a stark contrast to this narrative. It offers a chance to focus on what truly matters: family, hobbies, and well-being, without the financial strain of traditional home ownership. However, the base price of $6,789 only covers the core structure of the home, including the living area, kitchen, and bathroom. Buyers should be aware of additional costs, such as optional upgrades and customizations. For instance, adding solar panels could cost between $4,000 and $8,000, while interior upgrades might add $1,000 to $33,000 to the total price. Moreover, the cost of land must be considered. In rural areas, land can cost as little as $3,000 per acre, while urban plots can exceed $100,000 depending on the location. Utility connections also contribute to the overall cost. Connecting the home to water, sewage, and electricity can range from $1,500 to $5,000 depending on the site's infrastructure. Transportation and installation costs vary based on distance, with fees ranging from $500 to $2,500. Even with these additional expenses, Musk's tiny house remains far more affordable than the average U.S. home, which costs around $400,000. Despite its promise, the tiny house concept faces significant challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is zoning laws. Many municipalities enforce strict regulations that can make it difficult to secure permits for unconventional housing. This is particularly true in urban areas where zoning laws are often more rigid. Overcoming these legal barriers will be essential for the widespread adoption of tiny homes. Financing is another hurdle. Traditional mortgage lenders are generally geared toward conventional homes and may not offer suitable options for tiny house buyers. New financing solutions such as specialized loan products will need to be developed to make these homes accessible to a broader audience. Public perception is also a factor. While the tiny house movement is growing in popularity, some potential buyers may be hesitant to embrace a minimalist lifestyle. However, the increasing focus on sustainability and affordability suggests that attitudes could shift in favor of compact living in the coming years. Elon Musk's tiny house is more than just a product. It's a symbol of innovation and adaptability. By addressing the pressing need for affordable housing, it has the potential to transform the way people think about home ownership. Whether it's through individual units or entire communities of tiny homes, this concept could pave the way for a more inclusive and sustainable future in housing. As the demand for accessible and eco-friendly living spaces continues to grow, Musk's tiny house stands out as a beacon of possibility. It represents a bold step toward solving the housing crisis and creating a world where home ownership is attainable for everyone. Would you consider living in a 6,789 tiny house? Share your thoughts and join the conversation about the future of affordable housing.